Discover the ultimate game changers that propelled my financial journey towards success. In this eye-opening video, I unveil my personal selection of the top 5 passive income streams that have had a profound impact on my life. Get ready to break free from the shackles of traditional income as I share my strategies, insights, and success stories that will inspire and empower you to create a life of financial abundance. From real estate investments to online businesses and everything in between, these passive income streams have opened doors to freedom, flexibility, and a secure financial future. Join me on this transformative journey and learn how to leverage the power of passive income to unlock your true wealth potential. Don't miss out on this life-changing video that reveals my best 5 passive income streams that have truly changed my life. Join me as I delve into each passive income stream, providing in-depth insights, practical tips, and inspiring success stories that will empower you to take charge of your financial destiny. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of implementing these income streams in your own life, allowing you to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and create a sustainable source of income that works for you, even while you sleep. First on our journey is the captivating world of dividend investing. Discover how to strategically invest in dividend-paying stocks, enabling you to earn regular income from your investments. You will understand the key principles, research techniques, and portfolio management strategies that have helped me generate consistent cash flow and build long-term wealth. Discover the power of dividend investing, where you can earn regular income simply by owning shares of dividend-paying stocks. Learn the art of selecting solid companies with a history of consistent dividend payouts, and explore different investment strategies to maximize your returns. I'll share valuable insights on how to analyze dividend yields, dividend growth rates, and dividend payout ratios to build a diversified portfolio that generates passive income over the long term. Next, we'll explore the exciting realm of real estate investments. From rental properties to real estate investment trusts (REITs). Learn how to identify lucrative investment opportunities, manage tenants, and navigate the intricacies of real estate financing to create a passive income stream that can truly change your life. Step into the world of real estate and explore the various avenues for generating passive income. Whether it's investing in rental properties, purchasing real estate investment trusts, REITs, or exploring crowdfunding platforms, I'll guide you through the process of identifying lucrative opportunities, conducting due diligence, and managing your real estate investments. Learn how to leverage the power of property ownership, rental income, and potential appreciation to build a passive income stream that can provide both short-term cash flow and long-term wealth accumulation. But the passive income journey doesn't stop there. Brace yourself for an exploration of the digital landscape, where online businesses hold boundless potential. Discover the secrets behind creating successful niche websites, affiliate marketing, and e-commerce ventures that generate passive income on autopilot. I'll guide you through the process of identifying profitable niches, driving targeted traffic, and optimizing monetization strategies to ensure your online ventures thrive. Dive into the vast potential of online businesses and discover how to create passive income streams in the digital realm. From building niche websites that generate income through affiliate marketing or advertising revenue, to establishing e-commerce ventures that leverage dropshipping or print-on-demand models, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting, scaling, and monetizing online businesses. Uncover effective marketing strategies, website optimization techniques, and automation tools that can help you generate passive income while reaching a global audience. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the world of digital assets and cryptocurrency. Unleash the potential of decentralized finance, DeFi, and learn how to earn passive income through staking, liquidity pools, and yield farming. I'll demystify the complexities, offer security tips, and highlight the immense possibilities that the digital asset space presents for building passive income streams. Explore the exciting and rapidly evolving world of digital assets and cryptocurrencies. Learn how to earn passive income through activities like staking, where you lock up your digital assets in a blockchain network to support its operations and earn rewards. Discover the potential of participating in liquidity pools, where you provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges and earn a share of trading fees. Additionally, I'll provide insights on yield farming, a strategy that involves lending or borrowing digital assets to earn interest or rewards. Gain a comprehensive understanding of the risks, rewards, and security measures associated with participating in the cryptocurrency market while earning passive income. Lastly, we'll explore the power of creating and monetizing digital products. From ebooks to online courses and software applications, I'll reveal the secrets of turning your knowledge and expertise into passive income generators. Learn how to package your skills, reach a global audience, and create scalable digital products that generate revenue while you focus on what you love. Unleash your expertise and knowledge by creating digital products that can generate passive income. Explore the world of ebooks, online courses, software applications, or membership sites, and learn how to monetize your skills and insights. Discover strategies for identifying profitable niches, creating valuable content, marketing your digital products, and building a loyal customer base. I'll share tips on pricing, promotion, and scaling your digital product offerings to maximize your passive income potential. Through engaging storytelling and practical advice, I'll show you how these 5 passive income streams have transformed my life, providing me with financial freedom, security, and the ability to live life on my own terms. It's time to break free from financial constraints and unlock the doors to a brighter, more prosperous future. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey towards financial freedom and a life of abundance. By incorporating these top 5 passive income streams into your wealth building strategy, you'll be well equipped to create multiple sources of income that work for you, even while you sleep. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, and have the financial stability to live life on your own terms. Don't settle for a life bound by financial constraints. It's time to rewrite the rules and embrace the possibilities that passive income can offer. Join me on this empowering adventure and take the first step towards unlocking the doors to financial independence. Remember, building passive income takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. Stay committed to your financial goals, remain open to new opportunities, and be willing to adapt along the way. With persistence and the knowledge gained from this video, you'll be well on your way to creating a life that is rich in both financial rewards and personal fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey towards financial independence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Remember, your path to financial independence begins now.